Hi guys, welcome to another video. And this is not a standard video that I make. This is a different video. This is not about any forex pair and the kind of trade I'm looking for. But this is for Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently has become the most talked about asset, right? With people predicting bull runs or bear runs for the coming years. But there is something very interesting that I saw on this pair, and which is why I'm making this quick video. Because when you see such things, firstly, these things are difficult to spot. Currently, if I just ask you to focus on this particular area before I tell you what that is, can you notice something? Anything that is differentiated, anything? It's not, I will not draw support and resistances, right? I'll not draw trend lines. This is a different video, like I mentioned, right? So let's get on with it. So right now, Bitcoin is forming an harmonic pattern, right? So if you've not heard about the harmonic patterns, let me quickly just give you a brief about what they are and with reference to the pattern that we'll see in this video. Right? So I have an image of the pattern right here. So this is an image that I found on the internet, right? So copyright Harmonic Trader, right? Shout out to that Harmonic Trader LLC. So firstly, this is a bearish butterfly pattern, right? So if you keep the ratios aside, the clear thing which you can see is this is a W pattern, right? You can clearly see the alphabet W, and as the name suggests, this is bearish in nature. So when such clear W forms and when the price breaches the top, this is where majority of the retailers will go long, because this is what we are taught, right? If this is a resistance and price is breaking this resistance, you will instantly go long. But what this pattern does, it reverses the price, and price will come down and it will at least test this B point, and ideally it will go till C or A, right? So in this W pattern, the top, which is X of this move, is breached and then price goes down. There is another pattern as well, which is this, right? So the name is different, it's bearish Gartley. So here you can see again that W pattern, but the top is not breached, right? Price reaches the, you can say, the 3 by 4th level of this move, breaches this level. So ideally now the retailers will be targeting this level, right? Once the price has breached an important resistance from it and is going in the top, you would say, okay, the price would easily come at this level, and here I can go short. But what will happen is again the retailers would be trapped, and price will again flush down and hit all your stop losses, right? So right now Bitcoin is forming something of this sort. It is a Gartley, or it's a butterfly, that is currently not clear, but this is clearly a butterfly pattern or a Gartley pattern. You can ignore these ratios, guys. So what I've seen is when you're able to spot this pattern clearly and it's seemingly a WTU, you're not forcing the pattern. It mostly above 90% works. Right? So this is what I showed you in this video. So I'll just zoom in on the chart. And right, if this is not clear, let me make it clear for you. This is a 3 hourly chart of Bitcoin. And when I move to the line chart, so here you can see, and let me mark it. You can see I'm drawing the alphabet W for you, like we saw, right? And now it's working on its another leg. So this leg ideally can be somewhere around here, or it can break this pattern, and when people are ready to go long, can be somewhere around here. But whatever be the distance of this move, be it here or be it here, currently Bitcoin is not ready to break this level of 28k, 28.3, and form all new all-time highs. So even if Bitcoin say reaches till here or reaches till here, ideally this would be the minimum target that we'll be focusing on. So if I have to mark this target for you, this is the first target, and the second target would be somewhere around this levels. Now I'll switch to the main chart, right? So I hope this line chart cleared this W pattern for you. And right now you can see price is at a resistance, but it will go up from here. It will ideally reach here or break free like the two patterns I showed you. And then ideally it will reverse back down. So I hope this pattern is clear to you guys, because if you even see the price action that Bitcoin is following, you can see a bullish candle, an immediate bearish candle, and then price moves up, right? So this is typical accumulation pattern where price is not clear where it is headed, and there are too many wicks, too many uncertainties, right? Sometimes price seems to go up, instantly drops, then continues up, right? So these types, right? So you can see a very big candle, a bullish candle, and then two typical dojis. Again, a bullish candle lost momentum, and you can see the number of wicks. You can even see this candle. So now currently Bitcoin is in stop hunting mode. So it's hitting stop losses. And what I told you about these two patterns, right? So these will confuse a lot of retail traders, and which is why I wanted to make this video for you guys, because these patterns are not easy to spot. Because whenever these patterns occur, the price action surrounding these patterns is very, very, very unclear, right? So the market would confuse you in most of the its amusing ways. And you can see, right? So wicks, 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 and typically when they occur, you will not be in a position to recognize them, right? You will just see this as sideways action. So I hope this is clear, guys. And now let's see what Bitcoin does. But for me, it will either reach to this point or break this high. People would be euphoric, people would go long, and then it would ideally drop to the levels of around 27.9. But most probably, it should go and flush these levels at 27.5. If it does that, I'll create another video, guys, and you will be able to see this pattern in action. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in next one.